Mr. Ramesh and his team here before. And they are here basically because Mr. Sundarajan who has sponsored this event. So first give a big hand to Mr. Sundarajan. I'll take a few minutes to introduce the artist whom you all know. In the vocal is Shri Trichy K. Ramesh. Vanakkam sir, once again. Our Patti Mulka Theriyum is a commerce graduate and he is tutelage of music under Shri Musiri Sri Amar Gopala Ratnam Iyer. And he has given his maiden performance at the young age of 16, sweet 16. At Sadguru Sangeeta Sabha in Trichy in 1982. So even now you are only 16. Since then he has been giving numerous concerts in and around India. And Mridangam Vidwan Trichy S. Radhakrishna Iyer has been a pillar of support in promoting him. He has stalwarts such as Dr. T.K. Murthy, Vellore Sri Ramabhadran, Pudukottai Sri S. Mahadevan, Tanjavur Sri Ramamurthy, Tirukkoranam Sri Ulaganatha Pillai, Ramanathapuram Sri M. N. Ganesha Pillai, Trichy Sri R. Tayu Manavan, Umadayapuram Dr. K. Sivaraman, Guruvayur Sri Durai, Trichy Dr. Shankaran, Mannargudi Sri A. Iswaran, Tiruvarur Sri Bhaktavatsalam, Dr. M. Chandrasekharan, Sikil S. Bhaskaran, Nagai Sri Muralidharan. They are all well-known names in this world of music, of Carnatic music, and he has been groomed by them and various artists, and he is also a graded artist of All India Radio Trichy. He has been conferred many awards, including the Madhura Gana Sangeeta Ratnam, Bharati Puraskar Award, RMKV Award of Excellence, Kola Rakshana ceremony by various illustrious organizations. And more importantly, he is the Asthana Vidwan of Sri Kanchi Kamoti Mat and Sri Ahob Math. That's why we got married in Bombay. Sri Avaduta Datta Peedam, Mysore. We also received the Best Concert Award from Sri Krishna Gana Sabha and Chennai during December music season, and the Meritorious Award from Maharajapuram Santanam Foundation. If I continue to read this biodata, you will not listen to music. So I will cut it short here because he has achieved so much in life. And kindly give him a big hand first. Next we have in the violin, the viola Vidwan, Sri N.C. Mahadev. Nallan Chakravarti Madhav. He was born to Dr. N.C. Ranga Charyanu, a prominent vocalist, and Srimati Mangatayaru at Kodad, Nalgonda district in Andhra Pradesh. His paternal uncle was Sri N.C. Srinivasa Iyengar. At the young age of 9, he gave his first performance at Razol, which won him much appreciation. He holds a degree in science and diploma in music violin from Nagarjuna University, Andhra Pradesh. Presently, he is a staff artist, violin 8th of grade in All India Radio Trichy. He has done a lot of programs inside the country and outside. On the Mridangam, we have Salem K. Srinivasan. He is one of the descendants of Kalamani Trichy Sri R. Tayu Manavan, a veteran Mridangam, Kanjira and Kanakol Vidwan, who belongs to the tradition of Mridangam, Kanjira Mastrio, Pudukottai Sri Van Dakshina Murthy Pillai. Apart from that, he has been inspired by music maestros like Palakkad Mani Iyer, Palani Subramanya Pillai, Tanjavur T.K. Murthy, Ramanathapuram C.S. Murunga Bhupati, Palakkad Raghu, Umayyapuram K. Sivaraman, Guruvayur Durai, Vellur Ramabhadran, and Karaikudi Mani. If I pronounce the names wrongly, kindly excuse me. He has given Mridangam accompaniment many renowned artists in various sabhas all over India. He has also released cassettes and CDs. Next we have Trichy Dr. K. Murali, whom you all know, and he is a Carnatic percussion artist. He is from Trichy, he belongs to Trichy, and Dr. Murali carries forward a rich rhythmic lineage with dignity, discipline and creative brilliance. He is honored as an 8th grade Gatham artist in All India Radio. His artistry has enriched countless concerts alongside the most senior and eminent Vidwans and Vidushis of our time. He is a recipient of numerous awards and honors from eminent music sabhas, cultural academies and prestigious institutions across India and abroad. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have now got all the did I speak about Alathur Sri T. Radhaganesh, Ganjira? He is from a family of rich lineage of distinguished musicians. He is the grandson of Sangeeta Kalamnidhi, Alathur Sri Sivasubramanya Iyer, of Alathur brothers, and he initially began learning Mridangam from Trichy Sri R. Tayu Manavan and Tanjavur Sri R. Ramamurthy. He has accompanied renowned Vidwans and Vidushis as well as performed for Carnatic instrumental music on the Ganjira. Raj Ganesh is also shared the stage with popular Mridangam Vidwans including Guru Sri B. Hari Kumar. He is a postgraduate degree in commerce from Bharidasan University. I want to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, all of them are professionals in the outside world and music is their love. And they come together to entertain us this evening. Before they start the program, I will request Dr. Ilango to kindly come and honor the artist. Give a big hand, please. Sri Madhav in violin. I'm sure, ladies and gentlemen, you can produce more noise by clapping your hands. Thank you. K. Srinivasan on Mridangam. That is for Ma'am Lalita, a color Sulinger. And here comes the green of AIDMK. I don't know whether he is from AIDMK.
ये नहीं पोड़े यार छोटा पाए சாமானெல்லாம் கூப்பிட்டு வச்சு அடுத்தடுத்து பெருசாக போச்சுன்னா தான்.
And now we have a mustard color matching his kurta. Thank you very much, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, without wasting any more time, I hand you over to Mr. Ramesh for the program.
Thank you.
Just I want the honor
to conduct everything in the campus.
This is the color of for the ladies, and that's what.
எப்போட போனதில்லை ஒரு மண்ணில் கிழப்பையா என்னத்தை போடுறேன் வந்து வாய்க்காம பாரு.
I thought I'm going to become a sannyas. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
जय जय गणपति मंगलकारी जय जय गणपति मंगलकारी जय जय गणपति मंगलकारी जय जय गणपति मंगल பகாரி தரி கரி தரி பந்தி சரி கரி ஜெய கரிக சரிக பந்தி சரிக கரி தரி ஜெய ஜெய Gari Gari Jaya Jaya Gari Magari Gazani Rita Gari 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 Jaya Jaya Baga Badi Baga Badi Bagani Bagani Bagari Gari Jaya Jaya Sari ri ga ga ba ba ni ni za za ri ri ga 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 ba ni za ni za ri ga ni za ri ba ni za ga ba ni ni ga ba sa ri ga ni za ri ba ni za sa ri jaya jaya ga 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 ri ri ga 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 ri ri ga ga ri ri ga ga ri ri da ni 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 da da ni ni da ga ri ri da ni da da ga ri da ni da ga ri ri da ni da ba ni da ri ga ri da ni da ri ga da ni da da ri ri ga ga ba ga 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 ri ri da da ga ga ri ri ba ga 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 ri ri ba ba da da ni 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 da da ri ga ba ga ri da ni da ri ga ri da 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 ni da